Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy CJ Brand. We back with a brand new video today. And on today's video, we're actually going to be unboxing a brand new smartwatch. Not from Apple and not from Samsung and not from any of the other big time competitors, I should say. This smartwatch we picked up was from Amazon. Paid like 50 bucks for it. It's from MISIRUN. MISIRUN, they're a brand new company to me technically. They were established back in 2017, so of course, you know, they've been able to take from companies like Apple and Samsung and, you know, make something that's not $500 and make it to like 50 bucks. So let's go and get straight into the video. So unbox this thing right here. Hope you guys definitely enjoy the video. But before we do that, please do me a big favor. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you drop a like on this video. Comment down below what you think. Let's get it, man. Of course, we got a golden knife, you know. Always got to start off with Goldie right there. Slice this bad boy open. I always do this. I think I got it backwards again, but we'll see. Okay. So, in here, cool, we got this, like, you know, this little box right here from the company. Like I said, it's from MISIRUN. It's a real nice box. I wasn't expecting, you know, an Apple box or whatever, but let's go ahead and throw this off the thing. So, boom, let's get straight into it once again. MISIRUN. They got a lot of stuff with it, honestly. It comes with 20 different sports feature modes. That meaning as in like when you're out exercising or doing any type of other activity, you can do running, climbing, walking, swimming, heart rate, and all the other good stuff. They got a lot of stuff on the back of the box as well that I gotta, you know, look at and everything. But I'll see if you guys can, you know, possibly see that right there. And then I'll go ahead and read everything to you once again. So anyway, here, so basically some good features about this as well that shows that MISIRUN has been listening to other competitors and their consumers, because like I said, they're here since 2017. So they got the sleep monitoring mode, they got sport mode, the alarm clock mode, stopwatch. You can message people on here, a pedometer. I guess it's like tracking your steps. I hope so. You can get call reminders, and then also you can track your calories as well. So of course, I mean, there's a lot of features that's on this watch that you guys will see on bigger, you know, name companies as well, such as like Apple and Samsung. And I feel like there's another person, like another company out here that has them. I want to say Google, but I don't know. But enough of that talking, man. Let's go and get this thing unboxed officially. Take that knife again. Go ahead and cut this plastic off. All right. I'm ready to see the finish of this product, honestly. I don't know what it looks like, and I hope that it's, you know, hope it's nice. I really hope it's nice. Okay, cool. So it just slides out the, we got tape on the side. Okay, I think so. Am I tripping? Oh, no, I just gotta keep pushing. Let me go ahead and keep pushing. Oh my God. Oh, there we go. You just do it from the front. All right, cool. So we got that out. I mean, the packaging already it's just nice as is. I can't knock it. 50 bucks. Oh yeah, some nice packaging right here. So of course, you know, they start you off with this right here. This is their yeah, the watch. I don't know what size this is for it, and just because I think they only got one size, which helps out as consumers as well. Because you know, with Apple, you got the 40, the 32s, 45s. They probably have a 47 for the Series 8. Who knows what's gonna happen with Apple, but this right here, they just have one size for you. Comes with another band as well. You can also go ahead and purchase new bands for it as well. So let's go ahead and open the rest of this up right here. Some more paperwork. And then we got this charger right here. So this company right here, you know, like Apple, they got their lightning bolt. Samsung got this regular charger as well. So this right here, they actually have a magnet charger instead. So you can just go ahead and hook this bad boy up to the back of it. I guess I'll show y'all right quick because we magnet the charger up anyway. Yeah, you just hook it up exactly like this pretty much, and boom, it's just a magnet charger. So it's not MagSafe, but it'll do the job. So that's that. Then we got their little nice blue band as well. Once again, I mean, it's only 50 bucks. So you really can't knock the company off for, you know, not giving you real good quality of their products. But this watch right here itself is already heavy, and it's made out of straight up metal. Now I done had some other type of watch in my drawer right now, and that mug ain't. For 50 bucks as well. It was supposed to do, like, you know, like a Fitbit thing, but it's not Fitbit. It's a different company brand, but yeah, whatever. Anyway, man, that's all we got in there. So of course, now we got the user manual. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and get my phone, and well, this right here just says please scan the QR to activate and extend the warranty from 1 to 2 years. So cool thing about that, it comes with a 2-year warranty. I don't know if any, you know, a lot of watches actually come with that. You guys can see my QR. Go ahead and do it for me. I don't care. I'll appreciate you. Let's go and open this up with some more. Holy crap. All right, so there's just a ton of features on here, honestly. I mean, like I said, there's well over 20 different modes that you can switch out of. So, but I know y'all probably like, man, stop about to talk and let's go and open it up. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up right quick and get the Apple Watch, and we're gonna compare and contrast everything. Because like I said, I mean, do you really want to spend $500 on a $200, whatever, $199 on an Apple Watch, or do you want to go ahead and pick up one of these watches from MISIRUN? And that does pretty much the same exact thing. Like, with me looking at this so far, I mean, you can set your own watch faces up. You got the heart rate, the monitor and everything. You can track your steps and all the other stuff for 50 bucks. Why not just pick up this thing right here? Or like, are you a brand, you know, you want to have the Apple brand just because of that? Me personally, I barely use my Apple Watch. So I think that for somebody that don't want to use it and you need a quick gift for Christmas and you don't want to buy the Apple Watch, just buy them this. Tell them it's an Apple Watch. No, this time is better than Apple Watch. Tell them it's from MISIRUN. But anyway, man, let me go ahead and get this all set up right quick, because like I said, I'm tired of talking myself. I want to see what this bad boy is about. We'll be right back. All right, yeah, so we back in. I got the watch on. I didn't set up anything at all. Now, one thing I do want to let you guys know as well, this watch right here, it is compatible with both Apple and Android devices. Obviously, it looks like it's more compatible with the Android, but like I said, it's with both. So I haven't done anything with this so far. So far, the functionalities of it, it moves exactly like an Apple Watch to me. I got 57% of battery left. I need to go ahead and, you know, go ahead and get some juice on here soon. But Yeah, so far, I mean, the watch, it looks good. It has a great picture on it. It's not as bad as some people, you know, would like to say that it is bad. It's not bad at all. Let me go ahead and grab that Apple Watch right quick and show y'all that. So, here goes the Apple Watch right here, and then here goes the MISIRUN. So, I mean, yeah, I can't get the passport on that one, but I mean, honestly, if I were to get this, I wouldn't be mad for, you know, for a Christmas gift. And the reason why I say that is because it's like the same functionality of it. I mean, of course, the buttons on the side, they are totally different, but once again, it's 50 bucks compared to a Apple Watch that cost me dang on there 300 bucks. So, I mean, it's great. Both of these watches, they are both waterproof as well. This is IP68. I don't know what Apple Watch is. I'm pretty sure theirs is maybe a higher number, probably the same number, honestly. But IP68 pretty much is the meaning as in you can be in water for 1 meter for up to like 30 minutes. So that's cool right there. But let me go in and see what else I can do. So here got another feature on here as well. You can obviously go ahead and change the watch faces just by scrolling through. Same exact feature that is on the Apple Watch itself. So let's go ahead and pick this one. And I guess I'll go ahead and unlock the watch, the Apple Watch. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all already know how that works. So same exact feature, you can go ahead and swipe it, you know, swipe and change. This one has multiple ones on here as well. So I can go ahead and go in here and boom, boom, swipe like that. So, I mean, functionality wise, same thing. Both of them have the rates on here, the charges right here, the charges right there. I think it's, I don't know. I'm just gonna put the Apple Watch up right now because that's how I'm feeling. All right. Now I still gotta figure out how the heck can I pair this to my phone because it didn't show me anything. So I'm gonna read the menu right quick and I'm gonna put y'all on pause one more time. Yeah. So we back in. Now this is the app. So on the app, of course, you're gonna go in here and pick your gender, height, weight, and birth year. This is what it came with already. So I'm just gonna go ahead and submit that as is. I don't care, you know, for me, because I really don't use these type of features on my watch, and I don't know why, and I should, but I really don't. It's kind of weird. Anyway, so once you get into the app right here, let me go ahead and add my device to it. I guess I'll go ahead and allow that once to pick up the Apple Watch, or the watch I should say. Okay, so we're searching for the device, and of course I have the device exactly right here. Hopefully it can find it though. Maybe I should go into the settings and set it up. Let's see. No, there's nothing in the settings that can help me out. Oh, cool. I can turn the brightness up though. Oh, I feel so stupid. The device was just said. Okay. All right. So yeah, we all set up, man. So it's officially connected. Let's go ahead and hit the apply or allow on there, and now we have everything officially set up on the watch itself. So I don't know how I did 48 steps that quick, but what the heck? This thing got a flashlight on it. I'm quite curious to know if that actually works properly. Anyway, let's go ahead and go back into the app right here. So you got your steps right here. You get your sleep, your heart rate, and blood pressure as well, blood oxygen levels in your outdoor running. And then we can come over here to the watch. As you can see, 56%. Just show you guys that it is connected. I got 56% on the watch and 56% right here as well. So let's go ahead and see watch faces. Once again, we can go ahead and change the watch faces via app, which is cool, and it is pairs exactly like that. I could probably even put my own stuff on there, but we'll see that, you know, save that for later. Let's go to notifications so I can get all these things right here on there. You can get your phone messages, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, WeChat. I don't know what that is. Instagram, Skype, Kyoko Talk, Line, and other stuff. Won't be using half of that stuff. We can also upgrade it too. That's because it has smart features exactly like the Apple Watch. So, I mean, to me personally, it's a great watch. 50 bucks, man. Why not get it, you know? I mean, this is how I look at it, as in, like, if you were offered to pick between the MISIRUN and also Apple, but you're on a budget, are you going to try to make that person happy? Like, hey, I'm going to get you an Apple Watch, or I'm going to get you the MISIRUN, and you can do the same exact features on there. I mean, the watch band itself, I got a big wrist. So the Apple Watch, I can barely fit on, for one. I'm not going to lie. So, I mean, with this right here, I can go ahead and slap this bad boy on. I can go ahead and run my quick heart Oh God, it has these double bands. It's a weird watch for real. It's not like one of those this magnet snaps on, but yeah, you know, go ahead and snap the watch on exactly like that. It's a pretty clean fit for me personally. Like I said, I can barely fit watches, bands. Gotta go get me some custom made ones most likely. But other than that, I mean, it's a great watch. I got it in a blue mode right here. Check them out, man. I'll be putting all the information down below in the bio for sure. Once you guys go ahead and check them out. As of right now on Amazon, like I said, they're 50 bucks. You can go ahead and save 10% as well, just by clicking on the link below. And that's all I got for you guys today. Definitely check out MISIRUN. Great watch. I wouldn't say that it's a bad watch, won't say it's bad quality, because honestly the quality for the price is very good. Once again, like I said, I got watches that I done bought, smart watches I should say, for the same exact price, or maybe like 10 bucks under, that is straight up coming with just a plastic thing. But this right here is straight up metal. So I mean, it's definitely one of the watches that I would say it could be a competitor for Apple. Does this thing need to have some type of improvement? Of course, but it's the same thing for every company. Every company needs to have an improvement in their products every once in a while. But man, like I said, that's all we got for today's video. Like I want you guys to do, go ahead and click the link in the bio. Check out MISIRUN if you guys need a quick present. 50 bucks right here. They even got some more cheaper brands, cheaper options as well for you. So this right here is, you know, one of the Apple Watch faces. They do have the Samsung Galaxy Circle watches as well for MISIRUN. Same exact price, maybe like 40 bucks, could be 50 bucks, just depends. So much better. Definitely, like I said, check them out in the link below. Until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.